Hey Authentic Gay Blog here. This is a review of Years and Years. This is a new 6-part drama series on BBC, written by Russell T Davies, who's written for Doctor Who, various other things. He also did the free series on Channel 4 a few years ago, Banana, Cucumber and Tofu. There's always a theme of diversity in all of his films. So Years and Years basically follows a family for a period of time. It starts off with the birth of a mixed Chinese and English baby to one of his sisters, Rosie, who has spina bifida. And it starts off quite partly with Russell Tovey and his boyfriend, who was in Cucumber. His boyfriend is called Ralph, and he was in Cucumber and Tofu. Watching Question Time, and Emma Thompson appears on Question Time as this very opinionated, self-made business entrepreneur who makes a lot of controversial statements and is obviously an aspiring politician. The show jumps a year into the future. It also features Anne Reid. Anne Reid has been in lots of things. She was in Last Tango to Halifax, which is a really great programme. Roy Kinnear, who is Russell Tovey's brother and the brother of Rosie. Russell Tovey plays a housing officer for the local council, who's quite sort of boring in outlook and quite restrained. It jumps a year into the future. We find out that President Trump gets re-elected. It then jumps another year into the future, and Russell gets married to his boyfriend, and it all kind of centers around this baby's birthday. And it jumps again into the future. There's an election. A business person does stand, but she doesn't win. And she says she'll be back, and she's obviously making a name for herself because she's appearing on all these political programs with her political opinion. One of the kids of Roy Kinnear and the character Celeste, who's played by an actress called Dina Miller, comes out as transhuman, so there's not transgender, as you think it would be, as transhuman. The program leaps in time, and then it settles like 4 years, 5 years into the future. And in some ways it's quite dystopian, in terms of what's happening with the world. At the end of Trump's presidency, he's arguing with China over an island in the South China Seas. There's thousands of refugees in the UK from the Ukraine. Russia has basically taken over Ukraine because there was an election, then there's all these refugees. And there's a character called Victor, who's obviously gay, and he and Russell's character Daniel take a shine to each other, but nothing really happens. By the end of the program, Rosie's had a date with a guy who's got a robot who he fucks, basically. There's an attachment, and he has oral sex with the robot. The date ends very quickly, and we find out there's a fourth sibling who is a writer, and she spends a lot of her time around the world, and it ends with her finally contacting the whole family on the grandmother's birthday. The grandmother is played by Anne Reid, as I've just said, and it centres on her birthday. And Russia, the Russians are still in control of Ukraine. There's a lot going on, and Donald Trump launched a nuclear missile against this island, this disputed territory in the South China Sea, and it's all going crazy. The sirens are blasting. In Manchester, boats are sent, and war has been declared. and she's Skyping from this island, and the last thing you see is that the bomb goes off on the island, and Rosie, who's in the wheelchair, she's saying, "What do we do now? What do we do now? What do we do now?" In some parts, it was very fast paced. There's a lot going on in a very short period of time, and you're trying to catch up with it. One very interesting aspect was that it was aired on the day that Doris Day died, and they got that into a news item. So they did some very quick editing. People were going, "Oh, how did they do that?" Well, it's easy, it's very easy to edit something like that into a program, because it was just a sentence basically with a newsreader saying Doris Day's died at age 97. That's not hard to do, Other places it's quite slow moving, so there's a focus on the dialogue that's going on. It was very, very good. I would give it a 8.5 out of 10. I've watched it twice, and you are kind of drawn in really quickly into the program. There's a bit where the baby's being born, and Russell Tovey is talking to the baby, which is where he's saying, well, the world is a mess, basically. What world are we come into? What's going on? There's corporations are taking over, and there's extremism that's on the rise, and politicians are taking over. And he's saying, what's going to happen to you in 5, 10, 20, 30 years' time? So I think that's what the premise is. Kind of this little kid growing up. In terms of diversity, it's a lot of diversity. Obviously, you've got a person in a wheelchair, you've got Russell who's gay and his husband, and it's all just normal, You have Russell's brother who's married to a black woman, so they've got mixed race babies. You've got the Ukrainian element to it. You've got one of the daughters of the mixed race couple who's come out as transhuman, which means that she basically wants to be consciousness uploaded to the cloud. So there's kind of references there to Black Mirror, the San Junipero episode where they both died and they've had their conscious uploaded to the Fubob. Very good. I really kind of recommend you watch it. And there's 5 more episodes, and it looks like it's going to be quite dramatic in terms of its very dystopian view of the future of England, basically this country.